Ever wondered what businesses will dominate in 2025? The future is closer than you think, and today we're diving into the top 5 innovative business ideas that could completely change the game. Get ready for some mind-blowing concepts that could make you a business mogul by next year. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest trends. Now, let's talk about the future of business. 2025 is just around the corner, and it's bringing with it some exciting new opportunities. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or just curious about what's coming next, this video will give you a sneak peek into the top 5 innovative business ideas for 2025. First on our list is AI-powered health coaching. Imagine a business that uses artificial intelligence to create personalized health plans for individuals. It's no secret that people are becoming more health conscious, but many of them struggle to find the right guidance. This business combines AI technology with health expertise to offer tailored advice on nutrition, exercise, and mental well-being. As AI gets smarter, this will become even more accessible and affordable for everyone. So, whether you're building an app or offering a subscription service, this could be a game changer in 2025. Next up, we've got a green business idea: sustainable packaging solutions. With the growing demand for eco-friendly products, businesses are actively looking for alternatives to plastic. If you can create or supply biodegradable, recyclable, or reusable packaging, you'll be tapping into an industry with massive growth potential. From food packaging to e-commerce, companies are on the lookout for ways to reduce their environmental impact, and this could be your chance to step in. Have you ever wanted to travel the world without leaving your home? With VR technology advancing rapidly, virtual reality tourism is poised to explode by 2025. Imagine offering virtual travel experiences where people can visit landmarks, explore new cities, or even experience natural wonders all from the comfort of their living room. This could be an ideal business for people who love travel, but don't have the means or time to go everywhere themselves. Plus, you can cater to people with mobility challenges or those who prefer to stay home but still want to travel. Moving on to the fourth idea, smart home automation services. As homes get smarter, there's a huge opportunity for businesses that specialize in setting up and managing smart home systems. From security cameras and voice assistants to lighting and temperature control, more and more people want their homes to be connected and convenient. If you've got a background in technology, this could be your chance to capitalize on the growing demand for smart home solutions. Last, but definitely not least, we have subscription-based learning platforms for niche skills. While there are plenty of general learning platforms out there, people are increasingly looking for specialized courses that cater to specific interests or careers. Whether it's advanced coding, photography, or even rare languages, you can build a subscription-based platform that offers in-depth learning experiences. With online education continuing to boom, this business model could become a huge success in 2025. Are you ready to take the plunge into the booming real estate market in 2025? Whether you're looking to buy your first property or start your very own real estate business, the time to act is now. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to jumpstart your career in real estate and set yourself up for success in 2025. Let's dive right in. Hey there! Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on practical, easy to understand advice for your financial future. 2025 is shaping up to be an exciting year in the real estate world. But with so many changes and opportunities, it can feel overwhelming to know where to start. Right? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to get started in real estate this year. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to take your first steps toward building a real estate business that works for you. First things first, before you jump into real estate, it's essential to understand what's happening in the market. In 2025, real estate is evolving fast. You've probably heard the terms virtual tour and digital closings, but these aren't just buzzwords, they're the new normal. The market is leaning heavily on tech, and it's important to get familiar with these innovations because they'll give you a big advantage. The demand for homes in suburban areas is also on the rise, especially as remote work becomes more common. So if you're thinking about where to invest, it's a good idea to research emerging areas with growth potential. Real estate is a big field, so how do you figure out where to focus? A good way to start is by defining your niche. You could focus on residential properties, commercial real estate, or even niche markets like vacation rentals or industrial properties. Ask yourself, do I want to focus on helping people buy and sell homes? Would I rather invest in properties and make passive income? Or am I more interested in property management? Knowing your niche will help you make informed decisions about which market to target and how to tailor your business strategy. Okay, now let's talk about education. Whether you're an investor or an agent, knowledge is power. Depending on where you live, you'll need to take specific courses to get licensed. If you're planning to work as a real estate agent, you'll need to complete a pre-licensing course, pass the licensing exam, join a brokerage to get hands-on experience. If you're planning to be an investor, you can skip the formal licensing, but don't skip the research. Learn about property laws, financing options, and how to calculate the true cost of owning property. You can also attend local real estate seminars, read books, or take online courses. Just make sure you know the basics before making any big decisions. Real estate is all about connections. You're going to want to surround yourself with the right people, from real estate agents to mortgage brokers, contractors, and even other investors. Your network is key. A solid network can help you get better deals on properties, learn from experienced professionals, get recommendations for trusted service providers. So go ahead and start networking, attend events, join local real estate groups, and make the most of social media to connect with others in the business. Now let's talk about taking action. It's tempting to dive in and make a big investment, but starting small is often the best way to learn and minimize risks. If you're just starting out, consider starting with a single property investment, assisting in a few real estate transactions as a part-time agent, partnering with other investors to share resources and knowledge. Once you get the hang of it, you can scale up your business. But remember, always focus on managing risk and learning from every deal you make. As mentioned earlier, tech is a major player in real estate today. Virtual tour, AI tools for valuation, and digital transaction platforms are transforming how deals are made. Staying ahead of the curve will help you stand out in the competitive market. Use apps and software to streamline your processes, keep track of deals, and build your client base. The more tech-savvy you are, the better position you'll be for success. Last but not least, patience is key. Real estate is a long-term game. The key to success is persistence, learning from your experiences, and adapting as you go. You might not see huge profits right away, but trust the process. Keep educating yourself, stay connected, and take consistent action. Imagine turning just $10,000 into a stream of passive income that works for you every month. Sounds too good to be true. Well, what if I told you it's possible, and all you need is a solid plan and the power of dividend investing? Stick with me to find out exactly how to make your money work harder for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more tips that can help you grow your wealth. In today's video, we're going to break down how you can turn a simple $10 zero investment into a consistent and growing source of passive income through dividend investing. So if you're tired of your money just sitting in a savings account with no growth, or if you're looking for a way to make your money start working for you, this video is for you.